Hey, what is up everybody, my name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called Transformation, which is a part of Pico CTF challenge. So it is in the reverse engineering category. The description of the challenge says that I wonder what this really is, and it provides us with a file, and we'll be talking about this part a bit later on. So if I were to type in ls, you can see that there's a file anc, and if I were to cat it, you can see that it shows us something like this. My first hunch was that it could be Chinese, and it really was Chinese. So what I did was I went to Google Translate and just tried to copy it, and I'm sorry, detect. But as you can see, there's nothing much that we get over here. So the next thing that I tried was I tried to convert this Chinese into Unicode characters, and then I tried to convert it to English, but that unfortunately did not work for me. So the next thing that I did was I looked up at the hint. It says that you may find some online decoders, but I was not able to find it. So I'll be telling you my methodology, what I did. As you can see from the code, that it might have got something called flag, and what it did was the first part you can see, what it did was it shifted the characters towards left by 8 bits in the first part, and the second part what it did was it added to this part the next character, the ASCII code of the next character. So but what will happen if I try to run this on any English word is that it will result in loss of bits, and it will actually convert us English language into something other language. It might convert, I'm saying. So let's do one thing. I'll just be taking the first part of it, and I thought that maybe I could figure out something. So if I were to do flag is equal to this, and if I were to just reverse the first part of it to see what how it affects the outcome. So for I in range length flag l dot append flag chrord flag I, and since it shifted the flag by 8 bits towards the left, I'll be shifting towards the right to see what effect will it be producing. So if I will do this, as you can see, we get some English characters, but there's a small problem. So if I have to do join L, you can see that 1 bit is missing, and that is quite understandable, because what it did was it did not encrypt all the characters, it encrypted only half the characters. As you can see, what it did was it skipped one character at a time. So from 0 to then the next character was 2, then 4. It did not encrypt all of them at once. So we are not getting every characters. We are getting P, we are not getting I, we are getting C, but we are not getting O, we are getting C, but we are not getting T. So one character is missing. And the next thing that I did was, because they did not work, I went to CyberChef. So let's just copy it and let's just try to run magic, because sometimes it will result you in something. And if I were to just use intensive mode, you can see that we get a bunch of outcomes. And one of them has the flag Pico CTF 16 bits instead of 8, and we get the flag. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.